Winds are invisible architects, molding landscapes and ecosystems across the globe. Their currents transport seeds, aiding in plant distribution and fostering biodiversity. In deserts, winds carve intricate dunes, creating dynamic formations that shift over time. Coastal areas see winds shaping shorelines, where relentless gusts erode cliffs and deposit sand to form beaches. In forests, winds act as vital pollinators, ensuring the survival of countless species. The interplay of winds with topography can create microclimates, influencing weather patterns and ecosystems. Thus, winds are not merely air currents. They are essential forces sculpting life across our planet in extraordinary ways.